Okay, we are back and springs are changed, rockers are back on, torque down to 22 foot-pounds. Valve covers are on and they are getting torqued to 9. Maybe. Yeah, it depends what my eyes see. This isn't foot-pounds, this one. As long as I can read it. 90.
And they sure go out and in the second time around.
Yeah,
Away.
they know their way.
Yep.
Make sure the torque wrench wasn't tricking me.
Just that one.
No, I figured it was only one.
I gave Brady cash.
Oh, you didn't have to do that.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
you could. No.
Done and done.
No, you didn't have to do that.
Hey, you didn't break it. I broke it.
Yeah, well, that's not the way it works.
Yeah, it is.
Well, then I got a lot of collecting to do
Oh, yeah, you do.
in place. We're on film. We won't say much. Okay. Now we can flip it over and give it an oil pan. Give it a pickup, give it an oil pan, give it a timing cover, and a balancer. What was that? I did that the other day. We were in the dyno room.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. It clicked out and
Yeah.
couldn't get up.
Sounded like your torque wrench.
Yeah, it did. It was mid-laugh, something you did, went to get up, and it was like,
Yeah, I remember that one.
cut the laugh a little short. Okay. Now we can get a new fancy pickup in there. For a new fancy pan. Oh, it's only got one tab. You know. Better if I do it like that? Better or worse? Saying worse. Oh, yeah, that's sitting all right. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it don't look right. I'll make sure that little O-ring pushes down in there properly. This one kind of was crawling up the side, so it wasn't seating properly. Now, this only had one bolt in it, as often many seem to. So we'll see about that. I think I'd feel better if it had two. So I might have to find another bolt. And it's only got one tab holding it down compared to the other one had two. We had a box of them LS metric bolts kicking around somewhere. You know where they're at? Or is it on MIA? Okay.
Remember when we got that motor and I couldn't find it then?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still haven't been able to find it.
Okay, I'll go do some snooping.
One place I'm going to go look, and it's covered.
So we'll find some torque specs on this, on the pickup, the windy tray, and the other two that go into the oil pump pickup. So I'll find a few torque specs on that. And I should have had all this stuff out, but it's been a day of interruptions between phone calls and people coming in and all that good stuff. So I'll go find them torque specs. Then we will have a look and see how well this fancy pan fits on and start getting that buttoned up. And then we can do some more stuff after that. So yeah, bear with me, be right back.